Hey guys, can I share? Can I share my personal experience sa certified admin? Is it okay? And yes, yes, okay. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Alright, so I'll just making it more uh parang nagka-conversation tayo ba? Hindi lang like may personal experience, ganto, ganyan, di ba? I want to make it more engaging for the both of us. Alright? So the first is I took the JHL certified admin way back June 2024. So etong story na to, it's just the ano lang, the direct to certified admin. So other like for those trainees nandito, they know me. So I'm JV Relampago. I am also the coach and the founder of Go High Level Champs. And yun, Go High Level Champs Training PH. So we help freelancers um, continuously growing and learn GHL as well as get their wins as a Go High Level experts. All right? So that's me. All right? So ito naman for the GHL admin side. So I took the certifications, nagbayad ako with the exam, so that's $97. And first FAQ, magkano ang certified admin exam? It's $97 per month. So, way back June 15, 2024, hinalungkat ko pa yung email ko just to just to have this screenshot ng receipt para may pakita ko yung story. And this is also relevant sa title natin kanina na 1 month na tatapusin natin yung certified admin. Is it possible ba talaga? Because others are saying na matatapos mo siya 2 months, 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So, I'll show you my experience dito with the certification. All right. So again, I took the certification way back June 15, 2024. So last year. And then after 6 days, all right, so certification June 15. And then napasa ko yung part A exam after parang 5 hours, 6 hours pagka sign up ko. Because what I did is after signing up sa certification, magbibigay sila ng resources. So yung binigay nila ng resources, it's the same with those na may idea na sa Go High Level portal or Go High Level community. From the community, merong learning tab, right? Sa learning tab, andun lahat ng mga resources with the video tutorials for all of the features, agency, sub-account features, lahat i-discuss nila doon. And every after tutorial, merong mga mini quizzes. So the mini quizzes can take from 3 items to 5 items. So all of the resources, all of the video tutorials about contacts, about marketing, about sites, about funnels, websites, um, opportunities, pipelines, lahat ng mga short video tutorials nila, merong mga mini quizzes. So itong mga mini quizzes na to, it can range from 3 to 5 items and kailangan mo siyang mapas or kailangan mo siyang i-take for you to review kung natutunan mo talaga yung tinuro nila sa video. So it's a very nice approach. I would say malaking bagay yun for me. And then yung mga mini quizzes na yon, by the end of all of those resources, siguro up to 100 plus, 100 plus na mga videos, na mga training videos. So those 100 plus training videos, mako-compile yung mga mini quizzes into an exam. So yun yung tinatawag na Part A exam ni Go High Level with 100 items of multiple choice, take it at your own pace. Tapos yung multiple choice na yon, the passing score is 85. So I'm not sure if still 85 pa din ba, but I think yun yung recent na update ko with the current champs na nagtitake ng certified admin. So 85 over 100 items. So let's say 15 mistakes, 16 mistakes, kailangan mo mag-retake. So what I did on my experience is pagka-sign up ko, it was Friday. Ayan, Saturday pala to. Okay, Saturday, no? Saturday, June 15. So pagka-sign up ko sa kanya, tinapos ko kagad yung mga video resources as well as the mini quizzes. And I took the Part A exam. Yung Part A exam, 100 items, and hindi ko na makita yung result, but I na-remember ko around 90 plus yung score ko over 100, and by that passing score, nakapag-open ng um, another page or another email. They will send you, if you pass the certification, the Part A exam, they will send you an email for you to book the Part B exam, which is the one-on-one proctor examination. So andun yung isang go high level proctor, go high level certification proctor, tapos ikaw as the one who will take in the part B, and then they will give you the requirements or like sets of tasks na gagawin mo. They will also provide, eto magandang ano, they will also provide the sub account that you will be using, and then lalapag nila yung requirements, and you need to finish all of these requirements and also test the process na dapat working lahat within an hour. Ayan. Yun yung challenge doon. For me personally, since before I took the certified admin exam, meron na akong I think 6 months na solid JHL experience. So by that time, medyo easy na, medyo ano na lang, yung requirements na ibinigay, easy na lang siya for me. Hindi na siya ganun kahirap, to be honest. But the challenging part is the 1 hour na time limit. Kasi maraming gagawin. You need to import the snapshot, and then from the snapshot you need to edit the links, you need to edit the form submitted, trigger, also the steps after the trigger. You also need to connect the calendars, create the calendar, buy a phone number, all of those tasks na ginagawa mostly ng mga JHL expert. So kailangan mo siyang gawin, which is all of those steps, to be honest, hindi naman siya ganun ka-complicated. But the time pressure na ibibigay na kailangan mo siyang tapusin within an hour, I think yun yung nagiging challenge. Kasi medyo madami din talaga siya. Alright? So, I think yun yung honest take ko with the Part B exam. And yun nga, I took the Part B exam way back. Ayan, I'll show you the ano. So, after 6 days of waiting, since we finished the Part A and preparation for the live proctor, I've become a Go High Level Certified Admin on June 21, 2024. So when I started, June 15 to June 21, so that's 6 days. 6 days, tinapos natin yung certified admin. And by that time, I would say a lot of opportunities na dumating sa akin um, when I got the certified admin title. So sobrang ano yun. So most like, okay, why, ayan, natapos natin yung certified admin, we are pinost tayo after a few weeks, pinost tayo sa official community, as well as added tayo sa directory. And yun yung nagbigay sa akin ng a lot of opportunity for growth to, I'll be honest, naging confident ako to to raise my rate kasi certified admin ka na, hindi ka lang expert kundi certified admin, right? So, ang ginawa ko doon, I'll give you the take ko. Bakit ko siya? Because Saturday night, that time, naghahanap ako ng something good for my growth. So, siguro yun yung, gusto ko, naghahanap ako ng something na I can get a different, parang different, or I can get advantage compared to other experts. So yun yung idea ko na paano ko kaya ma-position yung sarili ko as someone na hindi lang expert but is also certified. So naghanap ako ng mga resources, and I've encountered na meron palang certified admin exam si Go High Level. So when I check the website, merong pricing $97 per month. So kaya nakita nyo dito, ginamit natin pambayad, credit card. Kasi I remember that time wala pang pera. So wala pa tayong cash. In 95, is around 5,600, 5,500 that time. Hindi natin pwedeng maglabas ng ganun kaagad eh. So gumamit ako ng credit card since it can be paid after a month pa. And then by then, nag-take ako, and I cannot afford to like tapusin to for the next 2 months kasi nga merong babayaran next month, 'di ba, na credit card. So, hindi natin afford to make it longer yung process. So, what I did, naging gigil. Ayan, always na yung sinasabi, naging gigil ka agad, take action ka agad. In just one sitting, I remember it clearly, one sitting, pagkakuha ko nung access sa learning tab, sa community, tinapos ko agad yung 100 plus videos. Yun, matatapos mo ba 100 plus videos within just few hours? Of course, hindi. So what I did, in-skip ko yung mga features na confident na ako, and I move forward dun sa mga mini quizzes kaagad. Kasi nag-move forward ako sa mini quizzes kasi back in my mind, kapag alam ko na yung mini quizzes, it means alam ko na yung mga process, 'di ba? So, if na-test mo yung sarili mo, ay perfect ko tong 3 items. Move ka na dun sa next tutorial. Tapos ginagawa ko for the tutorial, since I'm very like also challenged to myself na sino kaya yung pinakamabilis matapos yung certified admin exam. Kaya ko kaya to within 1 week. So yun yung challenge ko sa sarili ko. So kasi gigil ka, you have a motivation na wala ng pera. The number one best motivator, 'di ba, yung wala ng pera. And then the next part is gusto ko meron akong patunayan sa sarili ko na even if I only have 6 months experience, kaya kong sumabay dun sa mga meron ng more than a year experience. Di ba? Meron tayong, I'm not sure if is it just me or meron sa atin na gusto natin patunayan yung sarili natin na we can also do what others can do. Sino bang agree dyan? Sino bang mga ganun? Ayan, si Kent. Di ba? If kaya nila, kaya mo din. Di ba? Angasan mo lang. Ayan. So, yan yung ginawa ko din. So, yan yung back in my mind. Yan yung motivation ko. And I took the certification. Take action kaagad. Like, kaagad, gigil kaagad. And then, after one sitting, siguro mga 5 to 6 hours, watching all of the videos, ini-skip ko yung iba, fino-forward, I think, nilagay ko sa 1.5 yung speed ng mga videos. Gusto ko lang aside from ma-review yung sarili ko, those sa mga bago na mga like example may mga bagong mga bagong like hindi ako familiar. So at least ma-remind ako ulit, 'di ba? Ito pala yung proper wording for contacts. Meron palang bulk actions, meron palang trigger links. So all of those things na na-review ako, and also aside from na review yung mga hindi pa ako familiar na mga words na nabigyan ako ng idea, and then from there na recorded po ba ito? Wait lang. Check ko nga yung Fatom ko. Thank you, Cha. And record ko na lang din dito sa ano. Sorry guys to cut.
Recording in
Ayan,
progress.
okay na. So just to make sure. So yun nga, this continue ko lang yung ano, continue ko lang saan na ba tayo na part? Yun, basta, by that time, tinapos ko siya in just one sitting. And I think that's the best move na ginawa ko in taking this exam. Because once you finish the part A, dun ka palang mabibigyan ng link to set up an appointment for part B. And ang mahirap, ang challenge doon, when you set up an appointment, matagal pa siya. It will take 2 weeks from now, 1 week from now. So kailangan mo siyang tapusin kaagad yung part A para matapos mo siya in just 4 weeks or less. So yun yung number one. And number one tip ko for those magsi-certified admin is the timing. So kung magte-take ka ng certified admin sa Monday, make sure you have Monday, Tuesday, or even Wednesday bakante para matapos mo kagad yung part A. So that's my take lang. Merong iba naman, they have work. Of course, you can also do it on a weekend. Pero if the goal, again, if the goal is the same what na goal ko before, na kaya ko siyang tapusin within a month, and that's why we are here, I highly suggest na the timing na pag-sign up nyo, pagkuha nyo ng resources, in those na meron kayong free time to finish the Part A exam and all of those video resources within a week or less than a week. Parehas lang, di ba? Pero yeah, less than a week. Para meron pa kayong schedule. If ever your Part B exam will be 2 weeks from now. Kasi maraming nagpapabook ng Part B eh. So, they're always fully booked. And you need to, swerte mo na lang kung meron kang schedule for next week. So, most of the time, 2 weeks prior talaga. Ay, 2 weeks after, like 2 weeks from now. So, yan yung ano ko, first tip na maibibigay ko. Right? Okay, so let's start. Let's go to our next slide. And then, what is the certified admin? Diba? Dami na nating sinabi kanina. But, technical, ito, visit natin yung website ni certified admin. Ayan. Ayan. So, if you can see here, we attach our affiliate link. Baka naman. Baka lang naman. And I'll send it to the chat. Baka lang naman, we also prepared for the presentation and invited, di ba, guest. So baka lang naman gamitin ninyo yung link natin. It will not like wala siyang bawas on your end, but it will be a huge benefit for us na nag-set up ng ganitong event. All right, guys? And also we have more freebies later on. I-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung magiging session natin for those who took the certified admin, and especially yung mga gumamit ng link, di ba? So we have weekly sessions, weekly review dun sa mga magsi-certified admin. All right? Okay, so explaining for those na wala pang idea ano tong JHL certified admin. So it's a professionally recognized by JHL to manage and optimize the platform for business success. So, if you are a certified admin, ato punta tayo sa website. Ayan, you can read then master go high level and get certified. And then ito din, get certified now, enroll the exam, and the benefits. Ito, mga perks na may enjoy ninyo when you are getting the certified admin exam. So directory listing. Ano ba tong directory listing? Ito. Well, technically this is the directory.gohighlevel.com. Ayan, di ba? So you will be added here. Now, the question is, okay, ma-add ako dito, but are people really searching for directory.gohighlevel.com? Ano ba yung ginagawa ni JHL para mag-market nitong directory nila? So, that's a very good question na ako lang din nagtanong. But, if you will go to app.gohighlevel.com, and andito sa agency tab, again, it's agency tab, so which means all of the people that can access this tab are the agency owners or agency admins, which also mean na mga business owners mostly ang nakaka-access ng tab na to. And if they are looking for partners, itong partners tab, they will be redirected to the directory. So find a partner and then they will be directed to the directory page. So, if andito ka sa directory page and they will find your name in here, most of the time, i-message ka nila. So, that's also how I got inbound leads. Before nung mga medyo konti pa yung certified admin, mga way back like a year, like June last year or August last year, I'm getting 3 to 5 inbound leads per week. Tsaka ang mga inbound leads na to, they are very, very hot leads. Kasi alam, meron na silang Go High Level account. They are looking for an Go High Level expert mismo kay JHL na partners tab. So it means, meron na talagang interest to get an expert to deliver the project na meron sila, or if they're looking for a part-time, full-time. So depende na lang sa agreement ninyo ni client or ni agency owner. So, dito ko nakukuha yung mga inbound leads that time. And since the good thing the good thing of having inbound leads, pwede mong ma-filter or pwede kang makademand ng rate. Why? Because there's a huge demand for you, di ba, to work with them. So, kasi marami naghahanap ng work para sa'yo. So, hindi ka na pwedeng mag $8 per hour lang, $10 per hour lang. So, it's up to you kung gusto mo yung madalian. Pero, the idea is, marami namang in-demand ka, kumbaga. So, in-demand ka. So, you don't need to settle for those maliliit na rates. So, by that time, from, I think, rate ko na $8, $10 by that time, ay ano kaagad, di ba? Maangas ka eh. Maraming naghahanap eh. So, after siguro mga few na nakausap ko and they agree to the rate, parang medyo easy na sa kanila to say yes eh. Kasi vouch ka ni JHL, nasa partners ka ni director. So, it means hindi ka lang just an expert. You are a certified admin, di ba? So, by that time, my rate is ranging from $15 to $20 na. And ilang ilang months lang ako kay JHL. Just like 6 months, nag-certified admin. By then, nakakapag-charge na ako ng premium. So by that time, dun ko na-realize na, para tong ano para tong cheat code And that's really good kasi it's not just a bragging rights. May magandang magandang pakinggan na certified ka mismo ni Go High Level, but you can also make this one as an asset na pwede mong, like, during interviews, during discovery calls, pwede mong sabihin na hindi ka lang expert but you are also certified. You took this Go High Level certification, part of their expert or certified admin communities, and magiging, yun na yung magiging ano mo, magiging unfair advantage mo compared to those na hindi nagpa-certified. So, that's my idea by that time. And I would say, it's very, very, aside from nagtaas yung rates, also, kasi 'di ba maraming mga, ayan as you can see, marami dito iba-ibang countries. And when I check even with the Facebook pages, 'di ba, merong mga nag-hire doon. Most of them are like Indians, Pakistans, African, yung mga nag-a-apply sa mga job posting. So back in my mind, mga Pinoy kaya to eh, 'di ba? Mga Pinoy magaling sa English. Of course, number one, magaling sa English, accent, 'di ba? I like your accent. Say it again, noodles. Alright? So, the idea is, magaling tayo sa accent, sa English, and we are good with working, 'di ba? With working with foreigners. So, that's also the time na nagbigay sa akin ng push to create or to start the Go High Level Champs community and also the training program. So by that time, the training program, all of the other perks that I've got, the inbound leads, I also started the agency with me, and right now with other expert, meron na ding team sa agency, and then by then most of the clients na kukuha namin sa agency are coming from the certified admin, from the directory. Yung mga nag-reach out sa directory, we have discovery call, we set up the project outline, the list of tasks, and then from there, we're working on for this client, and then so on, bayaran, of course, and then yun. So most of the clients na kuha ko sa agency are coming from the certified admin listing or dito sa directory. So from there, nag-grow ang the grow yung ang career ko sa GHL. And the turning point for that, I would say, is the certified admin exam. So yun yung mabibigay ko na insights and my story with the certified admin. 'Di ba? So this is the ayan. So the benefits, aside from sinabi ko kanina, credibility and expertise. Kasi you can position yourself na hindi lang an expert but already a certified. And improve career opportunities, earning potential, of course, kasi mas confident ka na to magsabi ng certain rate. Kasi ikaw mismo nag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo, 'di ba? So, kailangan mo nang i-balance naman na hindi naman bigay ng bigay, 'di ba? So, kailangan mo ding maging fair sa sarili mo, and you need to set up a certain rate na hindi ka lugi sa like expenses mo every month, because you're paying 5,500 every month to be in the directory, to have your certificate, well, ang certification 2 years naman yung validity, but the directory part, kapag hindi ka na nagbabayad ng monthly, mawawala ka sa directory eh. So, nag-i-invest ka monthly para na dun sa directory, and mag-charge ka ng $8, $10, lugi ka dun, boss. Lugi ka dun. It's not wise for the business, di ba? So, I highly suggest na, well, for me, take ko dun, I need to have a certain rate na more than 10 na, two digits na rate. So, hourly rate yun, guys. And even if project-based, the better. Kasi we all know na mas mataas yung ano ng project base, mas maganda yung earning potential. Hindi nga siya ganun ka-stable, but the earning potential, mas malaki yung pwede mong i-price sa isang project, 'di ba? But for hourly rate, let's say hourly rate kasi mostly naman sa mga JHL experts, nag-hourly rate. Iba, nagpa-project base, marami ding nagpa-project base. So it's up to you, depende naman kung paano mo i-charge yung services mo. But if you have the certification and meron kang inbound leads na dumadating per week or every other day, well, mas maganda yun for the project base. You can get a team, pwede kang mag-build ng team, hire other people so you can share the opportunities with them, di ba? So, it's a it's a win-win pa din. And then, exclusive access to the resources and community. So, again, once you sign up sa certification, meron silang ibibigay na community which is the certified admin. Ay, hindi pa certified admin. Yung pangalawang community yung certified admin. So, the first community is the, I'm not sure if this pwede tong ipakita, but if hindi to pwedeng ipakita, hopefully, certification. Meron akong message na I'm just waiting for a response from a certification expert sa JHL. Pero if hindi to pwedeng ipakita, I will just cut this sa recording. And yeah, I will just cut this one sa recording. So, ipakita ko sa inyo yung portal ni Certified Admin. Ayan, direct, is it this one? Pakita ko lang. Ay, ano ko lang. Check ko lang to. Ay, hindi pala to. Wait lang. Asa na ba yung portal na yan? Uh, JHL folders, directory. Ito ba? Ayan, ito nga. May requirement po ba na once admin ka, dapat you own an agency account? Not necessary because they will provide, not necessary, they will provide the sub account that you will use for the proctor exam. Pero yeah, that's a nice question. Well, it's better na meron kang sub account para while reviewing, while checking all of the resources, maano ka din, like, ma-apply mo din siya kaagad, di ba? Pero, once na mag-take ka na nung part B, sila na magbibigay nung sub-account. So, hindi siya requirement na meron kang agency account or wala. So, it depends on you kung, kahit walang agency account, you can still take the certified admin. Basta meron kang sub-account for you to apply all of the resources na nasa loob. So the first access na ibibigay nila is itong certification. And then from the certification, andito yung learning tab, ano, certified admin resources. As you can see, ini-skip ko yung ibang, don't do this. Especially kapag hindi pa ganun ka, ano, confident sa, ayan, napasa naman natin yung certification. And don't do this if, and, hindi pa ganun ka confident, especially yung mga mini features inside. Ayan, ito yung first and high-level certification na group na bibigyan ka ng access. Tapos pag matapos mo yung part A and also the part B, bibigyan ka ng access dito sa certified admins. Ang kagandahan nitong certified admins, meron din silang sariling job posting. So merong mga job post na binibigay si Alicia. And then for all of the job posts, ayan o, set up and consultation opportunity. So you can contact, ayan o, contact, uy, wag i-contact. Sorry po. So you can contact, you can get the idea. You can contact people inside the certificate admin community. 'Di ba? Meron silang binibigay na work or job post every now and then. So pwede mo na siyang pwede kang mag ano diyon, mag-message doon. Ang kagandahan kasi dito, it's in international job posting, which means unlike if we compared it with online jobs na mostly Filipinos ang nandun, and the idea is Filipino, like yung rate, you can negotiate the rate, ganyan ganyan. But for international job posting, hindi sila mostly most in my experience, mostly sa kanila ini-expect na nila na hindi lang $10, $8 yung rate. Kasi expert yung hinahanap nila, certified pa. So they will not expect na ganun. So others, eto nga, other nationalities like from US, UK, they are charging $30, $40, $50 for GHL setup. Well, that's for them kasi well, hindi natin alam kung gaano sila like kagaling, di ba? But the idea is, kaya nilang mag-charge ng ganun. Tapos ikaw, mag-charge ka ng $8, di pwede yun, boss. Di ba? Di pwede ganun. So, you also need to get a little bit closer dun sa mga two digits na mga pricing naman. Like, mga 15, 20, di ba? So, it's all good, di ba? It's, yun nga, magandang, how you position yourself as the expert. Aside from that, paano ka mag-negotiate during the discovery call, the interview. Ayan. Okay. So that's my take. So ganun yung magiging process. So again, first is signing up. After you sign up, you will get access to the high-level certification na community, and you can access the resources na yung nasa learning tab. And then from there, kailangan mong tapusin lahat ng resources so you'll be able to take the part A. After you take the part A, um, bibigyan ka ng email kapag nakapasa. Ay, hindi pala bibigyan ng email. Makikita mo kagad doon kung nakapasa ka. Kung from like 90, from 100 items, kapag 85 plus, nakapasa ka, so bibigyan ka ng automated email. From the automated email, doon ka magbubook ng appointment for the part B. So usually, the appointments, kasi maraming nagpapabook ng part B exam. So it can be from today, ang pinaka-recent na available date usually is 2 weeks from now. So again, it's best na kaya mong tapusin yung Part A exam within a certain week, like within 1 week or less. 'Di ba? Para mas marami kang time to prepare for the Part B, para pwede ka pang sumali sa review session natin, as well as kaya mo siyang tapusin in just 1 month. And mapupunta after mong matapos yung certified admin exam, the part A, part B, makapasa ka, you will be added to the directory. And then if you will be added to the directory, dun na yung ROI. Aside from directory, the community as well. 'Di ba? Ikaw na mismo yung lalapitan ng clients, as well as pwede kang mag-reach out sa mga posting dun sa directory. So napakagandang job opportunity, career growth siya. Personally, if I will be doing it again, siguro mas gagawin ko pa siyang sooner. So siguro kung 6 months yung experience ko, siguro gagawin ko siyang mga 3 months na na-experience. Okay, so later on, i-discuss natin yung perfect timing for you kung anong level ka na sa JHL ngayon if it's your right time to take the certified admin exam. Alright? Ayan. So, confidence and trust to clients yung last natin na benefit for the certification. Okay, for the next part is the pros and cons. Ito naman, I'm sure na I'm sure na I've already discussed that madaming pros. But dito tayo sa realidad, reality with the certified admin exam. First thing is, for pros, ayan, credibility, skill development, access to the community, and client trust. So, andyan na yan. For the cons naman, mga negative, the cost, as well as the cost. Yung number one cost, disadvantage ng certification because you will paying it monthly, 'di ba? $97, around 5K plus monthly na babayaran mo kay Go High Level. So paano mo siya ma-maximize na since binabayaran mo ng monthly, kailangan mo siyang may balik din. More like times 10 from your monthly expenses and investment dun sa certified admin. So ayan, i-discuss, ano natin later, paano natin siya i-maximize. And then the preparation time. Eto, the preparation time, since the learning curve of GHL, hindi siya ganun kadali, to be honest, especially kapag beginner ka pa talaga, hindi siya ganun kadali. So, if you will tell me, Coach or JB, I want to take the certified admin exam. Tapos tatanong kita, ano ba experience mo sa JHL? Kaka-start ko lang this week. I highly suggest na siguro kuha ka ng mga 2 months to 3 months of solid JHL experience before taking the exam. This is my honest take. It's not because meron tayong training and so on, but ito yung honest take ko. Imagine this one. You will take it from scratch. So that's like 100 plus videos. And the videos around 5 minutes to 10 minutes na duration. So that would be, let's say for example, the total video duration, yung mga videos lang, is around let's say 40 hours. Tama ba yun? Like, I'm not sure. Mga computation na andito. Say, let's say for example, 40 hours yung total video durations. So yung 40 hours na yun, well, kaya mo naman siyang gawin in 1 month. But the question is, ma-apply mo ba lahat in just certain time yung mga dinidiscuss? How about the use cases? Makukuha mo ba yung mga use cases in a real business scenario na? Makukuha mo ba lahat ng mga tinuro doon sa resources ng kahit gaano ka ka-smart, you also need to experience it in a real world scenario, di ba? Like, kailangan mo ding sa isang business, meron silang certain requirements or certain needs na ikaw magpo-provide as a go high level expert. So, I would say it's not very wise. Well, it's kaya mo pa ding ipasa the part A kasi andun naman yung ano. Pero the part B is a little bit medyo situational na siya, yung part B exam. And the 1 hour na duration or the 1 hour time limit is will be a challenge for those na 1 month pa lang yung experience, 1 month pa lang nilang natutunan si JHL. So it means, kung 1 month yung learning time mo, the next month pa ka magsi-certified. So 97 plus 97, 100 something dollars. Tapos, kapag next month din hindi mo pa siya mapasa, so it will take you 3 months pa, 'di ba? So it would be better if ikaw na lang as para mas makuha mo yung hands-on experience at mas mabilis mong mapasa si certified admin in just like 1 month or 1.5 month para mapunta ka na doon sa directory and you can start getting inbound leads. Well, I suggest na kuha ka muna ng hands-on experience ng at least 3 months. Yung 3 months, ano na yun guys, mabilis na yun. So, pinaka-solid talaga na experience is yung 6 months. Kapag meron ka ng 6 months experience, and solid na experience hindi lang yung mga always na ginagawa, like hindi lang yung mga basic mga nag-automate ka na, nagse-set up ka na ng workflow chart, and then from the workflow chart, ikaw na mismo nag-a-apply dun sa JHL, gumagawa ka na ng sites before, gumagawa ka na ng email templates, calendars, links sa calendar, creating the links, yung mga ginagawa ng mga JHL expert pero minamaximize na nila yung buong platform. So example, nakapagbili ka na ng phone number, nakapag A2P compliance ka na. So yun yung mga time na I would say kayang-kaya mo na, hindi mo na masasayang yung oras and also the money that you're spending sa JHL. Alright? So doon, preparation time, the cost, and also requires, ay ang kagandahan kasi, and yun yung mga cons na I would say disadvantage sa certified admin if the timing, kumbaga, the timing will really affect kung gaano mo katagal, gaano mo siya katagal matatapos. And of course, kapag matagal mo siyang matatapos, you will be paying for $97 per month, pero hindi mo makukuha yung result and also the ROI na hinahabol mo while you take the certified admin exam. Alright? So, do you agree with that, guys? Well, depende. Yung mga sa tamang panahon. Yung mga nag-take na ng certified admin dyan, do you agree with that? If ever, do you agree na, ayun si Ai. How about si Ma'am Feb? Andito pa ba si Ma'am? Ayun, hindi si Ma'am Feb. Later, makakausap naman natin sila, guys. Ano naman sila, introduce naman natin sila. So, ideal timing after practical experience and study. So for me, para merong time frame, I would say 3 months. So 3 months na hands-on JHL experience para at least kaya mo siyang tapusin within a month or within 1.5 or hindi na aabot ng 2 months para the next month will be your ROI na. Andun ka na sa directory, you can be able to receive inbound leads. You can also apply for those job posting na pinopost sa JHL admin, certified admin community. Thank you, Angeli. Thank you po. And also when you are consistently confident in using the platform. So hindi naman like every tiny details dapat alam mo, hindi naman siya ganoon, but at least if pagagawan ka ng setup sa JHL, like 80%, 90% kaya mo siyang gawin in that time na kaagad. Ayan, fastest way to get certified. Ba't andi? Ayan. So register high level certification portal. Fastest way yan guys, number one. Na mali yung title ko but yan, that's it. Study and prepare for the official materials kasi magbibigay ng materials si JHL. So study for that. Of course, tapusin mo siya para ma-unlock yung part A. And then take the part A exam, schedule your part B, take and pass the exam and receive your actually wala yung ano eh, but diniscuss naman natin kanina kung ano yung fastest way. Okay, so let's meet our GHL certified admins. And are you excited to meet our certified admins? You can talk with them, you can ask them questions, and also they can share their experience. Ayan, yes. Ay, isa lang ata excited, si Jilly lang. Ayan, next slide na. Ayan, G, excited na ba to? Ayan, yes.
Yes, let's go, let's go.
Alright, so ito si JHL Champs. Ano lang tayo, sila nang meron tayong ano, 'di ba? Sila yung meron tayong connections. Or well, the others as well. How much? How much? So, first na champ na nag-certified si Ma'am CJ Cajoles. So, kasi I'm not sure if available na si Ma'am CJ. Hello Ma'am CJ, andito ba si Ma'am CJ? Pero she told me na meron siyang meeting up to 8. So baka after a few minutes pa siya papasok or probably baka hindi. But si Aimee, ayan, andito si Aimee, si I, also certified admin. Ayan, hello I. Ay, can you type
First
down, hi
lady.
I, hi
Let's go,
Aimee.
first lady.
First lady.
Hello, magandang gabi, champs.
Hello, good evening. So, ayun, si Aimee is also one of our certified admin. And si Russell, pag so pretty. Ayan, si Russell din is one of our certified admin. I'm not sure if Russell is here, but andito si Ma'am Feby. Is it Feb or Feby? Paano ba i-pronounce yun, Ma'am Feb?
Phoebe po.
Phoebe. Ayan, nandito din si Ma'am Phoebe. Certified admin last year. Last month. Tama po ba, Ma'am Phoebe?
Yeah, February po.
February last month. Ayan. So, andito sila. I just want to introduce na mga trainees sa JHL Champs as right now they are already certified admins. And siguro first question parang ano no. Parang Q&A sa pageant. For Aimee as well as Feby. So let's start with Aimee. So can you share your story? Paano ka nag-take ng certified admin as well as siguro dun sa part na ano yung mga benefits, the perks that you got after certification, and if ever there are like people here na interested to take the certification, ano yung mabibigay mong tips and yun, tips for them para kasi like personal tips mo siya. It's not necessary na kagaya ng sinabi ko na finish it 1 month, but it's my take. But if ikaw kung gusto mo siyang maging chill and then take your time, then yeah, go for it. So
Yes. So hello, champs. So, yung experience ko with GHL admin taking it is medyo challenging because I started Go High Level nung nag-take ako, 6 months pa lang talaga. And then 4 months full-time. So 2 months nun, sa total of 6 months, 2 months nun, part-time ako, and then yung full-time na talaga, 4 months lang. So that time, it was like December last year. December 8, dun sa na-remember ko kasi nagna-notify yung payment eh. So na-remember ko yung date kung kailan ako nag-subscribe. So December 8, wala kasi akong masyadong client last December because nagbakasyon. So, most of them nag-leave sila for that month. So, medyo bakante ako that time. So, nakapag-decide ako mag-take ng certification. So, doon when nagsimula na yung training, yung self-paced training, ang masasabi ko lang, ang pinaka naging kalaban ko that time is yung sarili ko. Because, tinatamad ako. Kasi, yes, yun yung part na parang tinatamad ka kasi self-paced nga siya. palang walang nagpo-push sa'yo na, okay, tapusin mo na agad. Okay. Yung, yung mga supportive ni Cha. Oo, yun yung pinaka kasi kalaban ko is nagiging mahina yung progress ko. So yung part A ko is nagtagal siya ng 1 week. Nagtagal yung yung part A ko is nagtagal siya ng 1 week. And then after that, na-unlock na yung part B. But at that time, napakaraming holidays kasi ng December. So I get my schedule pa January, first Monday ata ng January 2025. So napakaraming holidays and marami pang nakaschedule na nauna sa akin. And I was scheduled January na. So January na ako nakapag-take ng part B. Tapos ang pinaka masasuggest ko is yun yung pinaka nahirapan ako is yung time management. Una yon. Yung pangalawa is that stick to the basics. Kasi yun yung hindi ko nakikita yung mga basic part na alam kong naturo naman siya. If you watch or magre-rewatch ka ng mga training sa GHL Champs, nandun siya. The basics talaga naturo siya. But at the same time, pressure ka sa time. Hindi ako masyadong nag-practice ng practical exam. So yun kasi nga maraming holidays, maraming ganap, maraming kung ano-anong ginagawa. So hindi ako nakapag-practice talaga. And then muntik na ako hindi makapasa. So yun yung pinaka masasabi ko sa inyo is that yan tama yung sabi ni coach na yung parang solid talaga na experience mo with GHL. And then wag mong kalimutan yung basics kasi yun yung pinaka-hinahanap, pinaka-importante na foundation mo when you do the practical exam. Kasi detail by detail kasi yung requirement na hihingin sa'yo and gagawin mo siya tapos yun yung i-check nila sa'yo. Yeah, thank you, Mama Loy. Yun lang yung sa akin. Thank you, Cha.
Thank you, Ai. Thank you for the insight. Ayan, so, ano daw, know the basics. So, review the basics. Master the basics, ika nga. So, ayan yung takeaway ni Ma'am Ai for that. And how about, last part na lang. How about the opportunities after after being certified? Ano yung mga opportunities, like personal, like sa sarili mo, naging more confident, or aside from personal, the career opportunities as well?
Okay. Yung opportunities is that may natatanggap talaga akong inbound leads galing dun sa yung mga taong naghahanap sa directory. Una yon, nakakatanggap ako ng mga leads coming doon. But hindi ako nakapag-commit sa mga clients na pumapasok dun sa directory because hindi kami nagbi-meet in between. Una yon. And second is that uh, napakaganda kasi nakakapagbigay ako ng price na gusto ko. So before, when I started Go High Level, so $6 lang ako. Kasi hindi pa rin ako confident nun eh. Kasi full-time ako nag-government, tapos biglang nag-shift agad ako to freelancing.
Kailan
So,
daw? Kailan daw yun?
kailan?
Oo.
January din.
Di, kailan ka
Yung
nag-shift
first
to,
client. Ay,
kailan daw
kailan
yung
ako
first client?
nag-shift?
Ah,
Uh, nag-shift ako from government to freelancing is parang August.
August last
Oo.
year,
August last year. And then nag-take ako ng Certified Go High Level exam December. Up to
December,
January yung parang uh,
pa-certify.
para certified na ako. Then
Mm.
after doon, within January lang talaga kapag-close ako, yung rate ko that time, hanggang client ko siya, it's 20 hours per week, $12 yung rate ko. Meron din akong ibang project-based, and then meron din akong mga other part-time. So wala akong, for now, wala akong full-time. Tumatanggap ako ng part-time at saka project-based. Kasi mas mabilis yung pag, come and go ng mga clients pag ganon.
Oo. Ayan. So thank you so much, I for that. And guys, because I know I may personally, inaano ko siya, tinitis ko siya. Kasi when I started my freelancing career way back like 4 years ago, nag-rate ako ng $3, 4, 5, 6, hanggang nag-8, nag-10. Yung mga umabot ako ng $10, siguro mga ano na, 10 hourly rate, mga 2 years na almost 3 years na. Doon lang ako nakapag-charge ng $10. Sa kanya nakaka-charge na ng 10 and more dollars within just like 5 months sa freelancing. Kaya yun, parang lugi ah. So kaya, joke lang naman. So tease lang naman. I'm very happy for her achievement. But yun nga, ayun yung kagandahan if consistent ka sa growth as well as meron kang certain na specialization as well na nag-focus ka dun sa isang offer sa isang service and then naging magaling ka dun, nagpa-certify ka dun so you can demand the price that you want since specialist ka in some way, di ba? Ayan, thank you so much I show up actually ayun no, si Robert. Sheesh. Ayan, let's move on to Ma'am Feby. So hello Ma'am Feby, kamusta po? So ayan,
Ako na ba?
yes,
Contestant
ikaw na
number
po.
2? Ano
Kasi
ba?
sa contestant award to. Yes. Beauty pageant pala to.
Hello. Ano, yung experience ko ba sa ano sa
Yes, oh.
pag-start?
Mm-mm.
Sige. Actually, ano ako, parang super baby ako sa GHL. Nag-start ako parang mga October na talaga.
Yeah.
Yung ano ko lang is parang self-study lang talaga. Nag-start ako sa ano, yung kay Coach Cese na free group, yung HLA. Tapos kasi may mga assignments dun. So, ano kasi ako, very motivated to learn. So, talagang
Mm-mm.
pinanood ko, kumuha ako ng sub-account kasi pinag-aaralan ko talaga siya. And then, nag-start ako from yung real work talaga, agency is November. Super ano yun, yung client ko, super galing niya.
Mm-mm.
Sikat siya sa GHL. Kaya yung parang training ko doon, parang grabe, as in. So, January, I decided to, ano, to take the exam. So,
Mm-mm.
ilang months lang ba? October, November, December. O, di ba?
Three
Mga
months.
3 months lang, nag-take na ako ng, ano, ng certification. So, I have 3 kids. I also have work. And then, I'm also finishing my MBA. So, imagine
Yun.
yung time na si coach, ano lang niya, nakuha lang niya yung videos in one day. Ako kasi, 2 weeks. Kasi nga, super busy. Ayun, and then, dumating pa yung time na schedule ng exam ko that time is kalalabas lang ng anak ko sa ospital. So, para talagang, oh my God, the stress, I cannot. So, yun lang. Nag-retake ako kasi nga, stress ako that day. Stress ako that day kasi kalalabas lang ng anak ko sa ospital. So, yung ano ko talaga, masasabi ko lang is keep on practicing. Hindi importante na may agency account ka. Hindi din actually required na may sub-account ka, but it is very, very helpful na may sub-account ka kasi mas mapapractice mo siya. Yung ano kasi, actually yung video sa GHL, di ba coach, is outdated na siya.
Yeah.
Oo, updated
Yes.
na yung GUI. So, pag pag feeling ko, my God, parang hindi ko nakita to sa sub-account. So, tinatry ko siya.
Yeah.
Oo. Very ano, di ba? So, ayun, I watched the training videos. Umabot ako ng 2 weeks. And then yung exam ko, naka-retake ako kasi nga, the stress and the time. And then, ano siya, totoo yung sabi ng lahat. Yung problem talaga sa certification, yung roadblock is yung part B kasi nakaka-anxiety yung 1 hour. Parang, oh my gosh, kailangan kong tapusin. Pero yung masasabi ko lang is, this is a tip, no? Pag naintindihan mo kung ano yung customer journey, mas madali siya. Mas madali mo siyang maano talaga. And then what else? Sa opportunities naman, I just close a client.
Ay.
Hindi na sasabihin. Basta 6 digit siya.
Ah,
Ano lang siya, one project. And then, ano, actually may DC pa ako mamaya.
yun
Doon
oh.
din sa
Woo.
ano, doon din sa kung andito si servers, thank you very much kasi siya yung nag-encourage sa akin to fix my portfolio. medyo ano yung ano na yung inbound ko doon? Medyo ano talaga. So
Meron
yung,
talaga.
ano yung tanong niya? Kapag retake po ba bagong, no, no, hindi. Kasi yung monthly, yun na talaga yung babayaran
Mm.
mo. Nakausap ko nga yung yung isang actually yung proctor mo doon, yung proctor ko doon is Pinoy, mga
Pinoy.
Pinoy,
Si
di ba? Oo.
Jason. Oo,
Si
si
Jason,
Jason.
yung sa akin si Rafi.
Ah, si
Tapos,
Rafi, okay.
oo. Ano lang siya, yung rule lang talaga if pag bumagsak ka today, schedule ka naman next week, but you have to wait. Pero
Yeah.
kailangan mo lang minsan kasi, minsan 2 weeks yung schedule, minsan 3 weeks. Pero check mo lang yung portal mo kasi minsan may mga available schedule pwedeng sumingit. So ayun, ano po yung work niyo before? Hindi po ba? Ang work ko kasi as a project manager ng isang website company sa Australia. So, may experience ako sa web development, ganun. Medyo technical na ako in a way. So, ayun lang.
Ayun. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Phoebe. And yan, so I'm not sure andito ba si Ma'am CJ? Parang wala ata si Ma'am CJ. Andito ba si Ma'am CJ, guys? Yan, I think wala si Ma'am CJ but it's fine. Magandang insight ang binigay ni I as well as Ma'am Phoebe. So, ayan, can we congratulate and thank you for their feedback diyan sa chat, guys. Can we give them a thank you, congratulations message dyan sa baba? Ayan. Congrats. Grabe naman. Short. Pabati po. Congrats po. Ayan. Thank you for sharing your tips. All right. So, ayan. Thank you so much for them sa pag-share nila. No? So, pag-attend. Kasi to be honest, hindi na nila kailangan to kasi they are already certified admin, di ba? But they are here to share their story, to share their tips sa mga aspiring Go High Level certified admins. All right? So, yan, tips and recommendations. Okay, before we move on with our Q&A, meron kasing sinabi kanina si Ma'am Feby about the customer journey. So I have here a review documents. I have here a review document kasi yung part A, kaya niyo naman yung kailangan niyo lang doon is yung push and accountability group, di ba? So who would agree na kailangan niyo ng accountability group para sa certified admin na exam? Sinong nag-agree na kailangan ng accountability group? Ayan, me. So yung part A, like what they told earlier na kailangan mong merong mag-push sa'yo, kailangan mong merong ganon. So, we need an accountability group, accountability body for that. So, ayan, we will create a group later on sa mga interested to be a JHL certified admin. And then, yun yung sa Part A exam. Sa Part B exam, since it is a live proctor one-on-one, dun yung kailangan ng review. Dun yung kailangan ng review. Tapos, dun din sinabi ni Ma'am Feby, that the most important thing na you will understand during or you will dapat prepare ka for that part B exam is the customer journey. So, I prepared the material that can be used uh during the review, like magkakaroon ng mock 1 hour proctor exam, which means I will be the proctor, let's say I will be the proctor, tas ikaw yung gagawa nung requirements within an hour. So that would be your preparation dun sa part B ng exam. Alright? So yan yung gagawin natin for the next, wait lang, hinahanap ko lang yung document ko. I think it is this one. The good thing about the requirements that are in here, ayan. So the good thing about the requirements that are in here, inline siya with the customer journey na kailangan nating i-review. Alright? So this is a solid resources, I would say. Ito yung solid resources and I have other GHL champs na nag-ano ngayon, nagte-take ng certified admin and magre-review kami. So, pagre-review tayo, bro. Kung andito ka man, kung naririnig mo to, so, we will review and this is the part of our review sa proctor exam, yung part B. para one take na lang. Let's take yun yung magiging ano natin, magiging goal natin na you can finish the exam one take para you don't need to schedule for the next exam para prepared ka ba. And then you will be added, you will get your certificate, you will be added sa directory. Diba? So that's the goal. So, ito yung ipe-prepare natin. And ayan, andito I would say guys, this one is a really good activity and mock test for you to be prepared dun sa Part B exam mo. Okay? So ito yung ibibigay ko sa inyo once you finish the Part A exam. Okay? So, sino ba dito excited na? Excited na ba kayo to take this ano? Okay, let's do the Q&A. Q&A na tayo para we can finish the night early. So merong mga question dyan. Ayan, for those merong question, I would prefer para mas maganda yung batuhan ng question to open your mic. So go, una natin si Robert. I know merong question to si Robert. Hello bro, good evening bro, kamusta? Na ano ba? Na on the spot ba? And sinong prepared dyan to ask question? Merong mic. I will read ha yung mga questions kanina. Ayan, merong question si Jobert. Nakalimutan ko lang asan yan. Wait lang. Sana po merong class how to build portfolio as JHL admin. I will add that sa part nung I would say sa mga JHL champs, i-add ko yon sa resources. Hiring ba? Hindi tayo hiring right now, bro.
Coach,
Yung 6 months, ayan, si Ma'am Ruby. Hello, Ma'am Ruby. Good evening po.
Hi, Coach. Good evening po. Coach, yung nabanggit ni Ma'am Phoebe kanina na pag nag-fail, magre-retake, hindi ka na magbabayad ulit.
Hindi na as long as it's your nasa 1 month mo siya, subscription.
Okay po. So kahit ilang retake po, walang limit yung retake.
Yes, walang limit yung retake pero kailangan mo maghintay for the next available time. Let's say for example, kailangan mo mag-retake ngayon, today kasi and kailangan mo mag-retake today so you can wait another week or another few days bago ka mag-retake ulit sa pangalawang beses, pangatlo or pang-apat. So depende na lang pero you can retake. Yun lang madadagdagan lang yung time mo. So if ever kapag mag-retake ka tapos pang second month mo na, so magbabayad ka ng $97 for the next month. And yun po yung doon.
Bali, depende po yun sa availability ng
O depende sa availability ng calendar ng proctor.
Okay. Thank you,
Yes po.
Coach.
You're welcome, Ma'am Ruby. Sino pa merong question dyan? And baba na ako guys Scroll down na ako. Ito si Justin. Jazz, may mic ka, Jazz? Gusto namin marinig boses mo, Jazz. Ito si Coach, how do you handle self-doubt, limiting beliefs, kaya di makapag-take ng certification? Like for example, yung thinking na di ko pa gamay GHL, parang di pa time to take the certification. Wala pa akong 1 year. For me, it's just waste time thinking if kaya mo or hindi, or just do it, and then if you fail, push forward lang hanggang makuha mo yung goal mo. Kasi as long as you're waiting for the perfect timing, hindi yun dadating eh. So, unless na you will just take action na kaagad regardless kung mag-fail o hindi, it's fine. At least andun ka na, 'di ba? So, there's no other way to like hindi ka na pwedeng mag-back out, nagbayad ka na ng 97 eh. So, kailangan tapusin mo na talaga siya. So, that's my attitude if I will be doing the kailangan kong parang I need to put myself dun sa part na uncomfortable and wala na akong babalikan para ma-push forward ko lang yung sarili ko. So if ever na meron akong doubts kung hindi ko siya kaya, try ko kung hindi ba talaga kaya. Pero what if kung kaya mo naman, 'di ba? Nag-doubt ka lang. So nasayang yung mga oras na dapat nag-start ka na earlier on. So siguro yun yung mas sa akin na just keep on kung maghihintay ka lang ng perfect timing, it will not come unless ikaw mismo ikaw mismo yung susugod doon and pupuntahan yung perfect timing na yon. So, kahit sila Ma'am Feby, ato guys, at honest take talaga yun, kahit 3 months na solid experience, and I know just, I know your capabilities. Ito, if hindi mo kaya yon, balikan mo ako, tas ako pabayarin mo. Kung hindi mo kaya yon. Coach, kaming mga bago lang sa DHL, need namin mag-learn na itong course portal natin. If bago ka lang sa JHL, I suggest take tas andun ka sa Champ, take muna yung certification. Kaya, yes, Just, kayang-kaya mo, Just, promise. Take mo yung take mo muna yung mga course sa portal. Take the funnel building, automation, as well as, ayun, yung dalawa, funnel building automation. Yet kahit yung course, walang masyadong dinidiscuss dun sa course eh. So yung funnel building expert, workflow and automation expert na challenge. Kapag mapasa mo yung dalawa, and then you can get hands-on experience kahit 1 year, and then forward na tayo dun sa review sa certified admin. Alright, so next natin si Robert. Hello bro, good evening bro.
Ay po, good evening sa lahat.
Good evening.
Ah, ang tanong ko, halos nasagot na po. Pero ah, ito kasi po last week lang. Actually, may mga classmate ako dito kagaya ni Sis Justin
Mm-mm.
na may message ko na before na parang gusto ko na pero parang feel ko kulang pa. Pero nung recent lang po, 'di ba after ng event natin, tapos may pumasok na project. I mean, nung nagsimula po ako sa Champs din, yung mayroon na po talaga akong experience. Siguro magsi 6 months na.
Yun.
And nafe-feel ko last week lang po na, this week po actually nung, di ko alam kung anong araw, parang yung ko, gut feeling na, Robert, parang this is the time. Kasi nung una po, parang gusto ko pero parang feel ko kulang pa. And pag ganito po ba yung nararamdaman, go na po ba? Parang
Yes.
I need to some push lang talaga and parang kasi nararamdaman ko na talaga yung mismong ako po na parang hindi ako mapakali like ano ba Robert ginawa
Ah,
and mm,
bro, eto bro, honest ko sa'yo, response with that. Alam ko, you are very invested in yourself. Marami kang courses na tinitake, marami kang trainings, and you're taking action talaga, right? So, etong certified admin can be the best na maibigay mo. Even better than JHL Champs. Kasi ang tinuturo namin skills. But with the certified admin, it's not just the skills, but also the job opportunities. So, yun yung number one dun. ROI, yung job opportunities, yung mapupunta ka sa listing, pwede kang mag-reach out dun sa community, sa mga pinopost. Yun yung aside from pwede mo siyang maging bragging rights, kumbaga, if ever andun ka sa interview, sabihin mo certified ka mismo ni JHL, and there are only few Filipinos na certified, few experts around the world that are certified, and isa ka dun. So, pwede mong sabihin yun, and it will give them another like check or plus point sa'yo para makuha mo yung mo. But I would say, itong certified admin can be the best, uh, well, it's your personal, personal preference. But sa akin, um, I would say, a year ago, certified admin was the best investment na ginawa ko for myself. And compare that with other, 'di ba, mga other courses are also medyo mahal din. Even if it's a monthly fee, as long as na ma-maximize mo yung benefit as a certified admin, andun ka sa directory and so on, babalik talaga yung yung binabayad mo. So siguro that's my take. Follow your intuitions. Alam na alam, yes, wait, last bro. Ito yung magandang natutunan ko last event na pinuntahan ko sa MMI. So the idea is, would you think smarter? Your brain or your heart? Your brain will always say no, but your heart will always say yes, 'di ba? So yan yung magiging So our brain is created to protect us. But our heart is created to push through, 'di ba? Like na narinig niyo always, pusuan mo lang, go with it. Kahit sa isip mo, ay hindi na to kaya, hindi na to. Pero pusuan mo lang. Go, grab it, grab the opportunity kung merong dadaling. Wag ka nang mag-isip masyado kasi our brain is created to protect us, na ganto ganyan, to be safe, na hindi magiging ganto ganyan. But our heart will tell us na go for it, kaya mo yan, di ba? Just, ang utak lang na talaga natin, especially if we are not trained to risk, if we are like safe, nasa safe zone tayo, nasa comfort zone tayo, we are always told na, ay baka hindi ganto, baka masaktan ka lang, baka hindi mo kaya, baka hindi ganun. But there's something in here na magsasabi natin, uy, kaya mo yan, push through, gawin mo yan, di ba? So, ganyan, ayun, brain doubts, heart believes. Ayun, no, sobrang solid na quote ni Ver. So, I think that's my take for you, bro.
Salamat po, Coach, saka yun, naalala ko yung message ko sa'yo. Yung talaga, doon ako nakaramdam, di ko alam kung anong araw yun. Yung minessage kita
Oo.
directly na, bro, ganyan, ganyan. So yun,
Oo.
thank you po.
And
Kukunin ko.
thank you also as well for you, Robert, kasi pag message mo doon, actually, our discussion for today is about custom objects. So, if you're familiar about custom objects, pero nag-message ka and you told me, Coach, tamang time na ba to take the certified admin, ganito, ganyan. I have a feeling. So, napaisip ako, there's a lot of you, like, hindi lang ikaw, but other champs, other JHL experts na also wanted to have this event na merong makausap na mga certified admins, the explain sa kanila. So, I think, ikaw din yung rason, ba't na-set up tong event na to. So, thank you for that. Thank you so much for that. Ayan.
Salamat din po. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Robert, bro. Thank you, bro. Ayan, so next sige po, Ma'am Ruby. Next
Yung
natin si
sa-
Ma'am Christina.
Yung sa, Coach, di ba, nagbayad ka ng $97? Pag mapopost ka dun sa directory, kasama na ba yun doon? Or magbabayad ka para
Yes.
ma-post doon?
Kasama na siya.
Kasama na po. Tapos may 1 year validity.
Yung certification mismo, 2 years validity. So, pero yung directory, every month, kung magbabayad ka ng $97 every month, including dung start mo pa na nag-certify ka pa, hindi ka pa nasa certification part ka pa, nag-exam ka pa. Yung 97 nun, i-continue mo lang kapag andun ka na sa directory. So as long as you're paying $97, excuse me, they will keep you sa directory and ayun, going forward. So kung hindi ka na magbabayad ng 97, you will not added sa directory. Ayan.
So, dapat magbabayad ng monthly.
Yes, monthly. Pero ito naman instance ni Aimee, di ba? Si Aimee is just hindi siya looking for project base, gusto niya yung mga part-time, full-time. So since meron na siyang mga part-time, tsaka nagka full-time siya. So hindi na siya nagbabayad dun mapunta sa directory kasi hindi niya kailangan yung mga inbound leads na andun. So okay lang. So pwede ka nang mag-stop ng payment and then if ever next month gusto mo namang mandun sa directory ulit, so you also pay the $97 per month without retaking the exam. Kasi 2 years naman validity nung certified admin mo. Ayan. Sige po, Ma'am Ruby. And of those taking the exam, guys, alam niyo naman, this is not just a free, hindi lang naman yung oras natin. And I would highly appreciate and I've created the initiative to create a group as well as to create the resources to be certified. And in return, isa lang hinihingi natin, if you can use our link. Baka naman. Yan lang yung hinihingi natin and we want to make sure na we give enough support. Gagawa ng GC, yes, gagawa tayo ng group chat. Especially kapag mag-use ng natin link. Alright? Ayan. So, questions from Giselle. Hello, si Ma'am Christina pala. Hello, Ma'am Christina. Good evening po. Next natin si Giselle.
Hello, good morning. No,
Good morning. Good morning po.
sorry late kasi ako nakapasok so hindi ko
No
na
worries.
sorry talaga kasi nagpa-funnels ako kanina. Hindi ko kasi first time ko tong gamitin, tong JHL. I have no idea kung ano siya. Ang alam ko lang, parang yung sinasabi nila pwedeng gamitin for funnel creation, funnel design. Kasi nag-training din ako for funnel design. So ano ba yung sorry coach kung nabanggit mo na to sa mga
Yo, no
previous.
worries. Sige lang, go for it.
Para saan ba tong certification na to? Kasi bumili ako ng subscription, pero white label lang daw siya or white label siya ni GHL. Paano ba to? Paano ba siya nag-work?
Oo. So the yung subscription sa software alone lang siya. Software alone. Tapos the
Oh.
certification ni Go High Level, ibang ano naman siya, ibang product kumbaga. So I would say hindi sila connected if nag-purchase ka ng sub-account, so dapat mag-certify. So hindi siya ganun. But it would be an advantage if meron kang sub-account and then magte-take ka nung Go High Level Certified Admin kasi meron kang paggagamitan nung sub-account while learning all of those training videos na nasa loob nung program. So, when you sign up to the certified admin, bibigyan ka nila ng access to the community. And then sa community, andun yung mga training videos nila. So, dun sa training videos nila, meron sila mga mini quizzes. And then, by the end of like 100 plus training videos, you need to pass the Part A exam, yung 100 items. Tapos, the 100 items, ang passing score niya is I think 85. And then, once you pass the Part A, you will be given an email or an automated email. Tapos, andun yung link for the Part B booking calendar for the Part B na Proctor one-on-one exam. So, yun naman yung second exam mo, one-on-one, 1 hour. And then, kapag mapasa mo na siya, doon na ibibigay yung certificate na certified admin. As well as, you will be added to the directory listing ni Go High Level. And then from the directory listing, you can get inbound leads sa mga potential clients related to Go High Level setup, and funnel building, yun, mga funnel designs din, meron din sila. So, inbound leads sila, so the clients will the one who will reach out to you, hindi na ikaw. Meron din silang job listings na ikaw mismo yung magre-reach out sa mga potential clients. Pero kahit ako, hindi ko siya masyadong na-maximize. Yung job listings, the directory is already enough na makakuha ka ng mga inbound leads and mapuno yung dito sa directory. It's already enough para makakuha ka na, like for me sa time ko, para maubos yung para enough projects, kumbaga projects per month or even clients kung gusto mo yung mga part-time or full-time na mga setup. So,
Pero yung
yes po.
sorry. Yung po sa certification, magbabayad, yun yung babayaran na parang 97 basic plan, di ba, every month?
$97 fix fix. Yung basic plan sa software yun. Ito sa certification. Separate sila.
So yung sa certification, $97 one-time payment or
Monthly din siya.
monthly din?
Oo. So it's not
Okay.
necessary na dapat meron kang account. No, hindi. Separate talaga siya. Product talaga siya. So,
Okay.
regardless kung meron kang agency account or wala, you can still take the certified admin exam and you will be paying $97 per month din. So nakaka-confuse yung pricing no kasi parehas at 97 eh.
Oo. So yung magiging po natin, yung para magiging intensive training na in-avail namin, ano po yung ituturo nyo doon?
For the intensive training, siya, more on for beginners, portfolio optimization as well as kasi yung sa certified admin na walang mga hands-on, walang mga assignments, mga mini quizzes lang. And technical talaga siya. But the community, we are building it for like ongoing na example. We will create your portfolio we will hindi naman kami, but you will create your portfolio through the assignments na ibibigay sa inyo, and you will also understand the platform. So, I would say, if the goal is certified admin, yung intensive training sa JHL Champs is your first step para mas madali mong makuha yung certified admin. Kasi I've also shared this earlier na hindi fit si certified admin if you have like wala kang hands-on experience sa Go High level. Kasi matatagalan mong matapos yung exam because because kailangan siya ng hands-on experience talaga. So maybe at least 3 months. So with the 3 months, the best syempre ako yung nag-offer ng course. I would say, take the intensive course first. Maging magaling ka doon. Get your client. And then once na meron ka ng client, at least 1 or 2 clients na part-time or project-based. And then you can move forward to the certified admin exam. Para doon na yung expansion ng growth mo as a Go High level expert. Pero the first step, it's still best na andun ka sa isang community, especially Filipino community, para mas magets mo yung process, and then yung portfolio part din. Kasi sa certified admin, technical skills lang talaga yung tinuturo dun eh. Yung mga, even, yung sabi kanina ni Ma'am Febe, outdated din yung mga videos nila. So, it's still good na you have prior knowledge or you have experience na before you take the certified admin exam. Ayan po.
Okay. So, pagkatapos po nung training natin, meron din ba kami parang certificate na galing sa inyo?
Yes, kapag
Okay.
mapasa yung funnel building challenge, automation, workflow automation, as well as the course and community na expert na challenge, meron silang 3 separate na certificates. And by the end of April, we also discuss the AI naman, yung AI certificate naman. So, yan, mostly yung roadmap ni JHL Champs. I would say si JHL Champs is more focused on your growth as a JHL expert. And then si JHL Admin, Certified Admin is your like opportunities, like mga job opportunities. Kasi even if you are ito din ang my insights. Even if you have meron ka ng ah, like kung mag-go straight ka kay certified admin, siguro kung like mabilis talaga makakuha ng like mabilis mong ma-apply. Siguro mga 2 months, 3 months, matatapos mo na siya. But if you were accepting projects na wala kang hands-on experience, less likely na maklose siya, as well as if if maano ba like masasatisfy mo ba yung need ni clients for that, kasi iba yung technical skills, iba yung mga application naman, yung mga use cases ng mga technical skills na yon. So siguro for me, it's still good to have a hands-on experience before taking the certified admin. But to answer your question, yes, meron tayong mga certificates din sa loob ni GHL Champs.
Okay po. Last question na po. Yung
Sige po.
mga, di ba po yung binili namin or yung subscription namin, white label, siya ni
Mm-mm.
GHL Now.
Mm-mm.
Paano ba paano ba yun? Yung interface ba pareho? Yung system pareho? Everything?
Yes, siguro mga 90% parehas. Kung meron lang silang mga ni-restrict na mga features, yun lang yung hindi mo ma-access. But 90% parehas lang din sila. Go high level.
Okay. Thank you, Coach. Yun lang
You're
naman.
welcome, Christina.
Thank you.
Nag-avail ka sa batch 9?
Oo yata, batch na yata. Kasi parang
Yes.
last week lang ako
Yes po.
nag-register.
Ayan, see you next week. Ano
Opo.
tayo next week? Ayan.
Thank you.
See you next week po, Ma'am Christina. And
Opo.
welcome din.
Thank you.
Welcome sa JHL Champs.
Thank you.
Ayan. Si Giselle naman. Hello, Giselle. Good evening.
Hello po, good evening sa lahat.
Good evening, Giselle.
Question ko po is like, bago lang kasi din ako sa GHL, and with regards to taking dito sa admin, JHL admin certification, may prerequisite po ba or like parang pre-screening before kanila i-accommodate on your application to do the certification? Or basta lang makabayad ka tapos mag-apply? Tapos pag feel mo na na laban puso, yun na yun.
Oo, wala din silang support. So, i-feel mo na kung kailan mo kapag makabayad ka and then so yun din yung isang factor na it's not very beginner friendly kasi walang support. So, meron kang tatanungan. You need to post sa community if ever. Pero yun mostly din sa community kasi mga expert na sila before they take the so wala kang masyadong makikitang mga ah, wala kang masyadong makikitang kumbaga, mga basic or mga beginners questions. So, siguro that's my thoughts.
Thank you po.
And you're welcome, Jessel. Ingat, Christy. Mag-fly ka na. Hindi. Sa Davao lang yan. Pauwi na siya ng Davao. Tips po, coach, sa mga tanong. Sige po, ano yung tanong? Akala ko, coach, need ng 100K para maging certified admin. Dati yung sinasabi ng ibang JHL. Hindi naman, grabe naman yung 100K. Yun nga guys, gagawin ka nating review natin sa certified admin, libre eh. 'Di ba?
Coach,
Yes,
tanong ko
Ma'am
lang
Ruby.
ulit.
Yes po, Ma'am
Sa
Ruby, go.
katulad kong panel building expert, pwede
Mm.
na kayang mag-take ng DHL certified admin.
Yes, tingin ko,
Kahit
kaya
hindi
nyo
ko
na,
pa
Ma'am
natapos
Ruby.
lahat ng yung dun sa recordings namin.
Kahit hindi na, kaya nyo na po, tingin ko. Oo, di ba
Kasi gusto ko na coach.
oo. Napasa nyo na yung funnel tsaka yung automation, di ba?
Yung automation coach, hindi ko pa siya ginagawa. Andun
Ah,
ako sa my course ngayon, coach.
Siguro I suggest for the automation part na pwede mo siyang tapusin and then pwede kang mag-certified admin or even mag-certified admin ka na tas while doing the resources tapusin mo din yung yung automation. Yung
Hindi kaya
automation,
ako, sige,
mhm.
sige po.
Yung ano man sa certified admin, ang i-discuss sa part B, yung proctor exam, lead journey. So yung requirements natin for the funnel building expert challenge, meron na din kasi yung lead journey eh. Meron na siyang like from a form trigger papunta sa tagging, papunta sa opportunity, papunta sa email, confirmation email. So ganun din yung gagawin mo sa part B. Pero meron lang specific na mga requirements. Like for example, kapag ando na sa opportunity, ano ba yung stale opportunity? Ano ba yung sport opportunity status? Ano ba yung sport opportunity stage? So, yun yung mga maliliit na mga details. Pero eto, since we have the group and we have the weekly review naman, so I think kaya nyo na yun. Madidiscuss naman natin siya sa review. So, ayan.
Thank you, coach.
Yes po, you're welcome po. Merong question si Sherwin. Coach, every month po ba kayo mag-open ng batch sa JHL Champs? Yes, every month kami mag-open. Open kami ngayon. Ah, Open kami ngayon up to March 22 kasi yun yung before March 22 kasi yun yung kick-off call for batch 9. Next month, let's see kung siguro the same din. Around third week din. Good, thank you Sherwin. Meron kang tanong kanina Sherwin. I think it's about ang review ba is for JHL Champs lang. The review for certified admin is for everyone. So kahit hindi ka JHL Champs, if you are interested as well as ginamit mo yung link, syempre, I'll message me and I will add you to the group chat. I have two JHL agency accounts I'm managing. Can I use their account for certification? Yes, opo. You can use their account for certification. Pero bibigyan ka din ng sarili mong access na sub-account dun sa part B. Pero yung part A, it's better na meron ka sub-account na magagamit for application or like gusto mong i-check yung mga tinuturo nila, ma-apply mo kaagad. Go for it, Rino. Go for it, bro. Coach GV, curious lang po, last name nung Jason na proctor mo sa JHL admin. Si Jason Paradas? I forgot. Basta Jace, nakalimutan ko. Bakit? You know him, Ma'am Carmela? Thank you, Elmer. Coach, very important to understand yung CF, CV at trigger. At trigger, coach, no? CF, what do you mean by CF? Custom field, custom values. Yeah. Sa isip ko, CF Crossfire. Very important to know yung custom values and custom field. And triggers. Tama po ba, coach, para maipasa yung exam? Yes, opo. Importante sila. Thank you. Thanks, Sherwin. Thank you, bro. Ganda ng highlights ngayon, coach, nakapag-focus na dito sa JHL. Kahit kuha muna ng part-time o project-based para maka-experience ng hands-on. Yes po, opo, kailangan. Oo. Mas okay na merong hands-on experience. Para mas worth it yung gastos mo sa certified admin. Okay. Okay. So, guys, for those interested to take the certified admin exam, so it's today, tomorrow, kindly save our link para once you sign up, I will add you sa GC. Kasi, yun nga, gusto natin na yung GC is intended lang for those na nag-take ng certified admin para like andun kayo sa certain ano ba, parehas kayo ng ini-experience sa lahat ba. So, wait lang. Ayan. So, baka lang naman. If you can use my link and then send me a private DM me para ma-add ko kayo sa certified admin na group chat. So, for this month, one champs is taking. I think meron ding isa na magti-take this month. So, meron ng laman yung GC na yon. And I will just add you. Share ko sa inyo yung mga resources ko as well as the review, yung mock-up na 1 hour test for the Part B exam. Okay? So, ayan. Malaking bagay for me if you will use the link kasi meron tayong, aside from the reward that we get kay JHL, nabibuild din natin yung mga perks kapag maraming nag-sign up using your links. So, yun yung mga magiging give back for me. And thank you, Ma'am Roxanne. I think that's the end of our talk, guys. If you would like to know more, meron pa kayong questions sa akin, you can message me sa Facebook, JV Relampago. Ayan, JV Relampago na pangalan natin dyan. And let me know if ayan, kung gusto niyo na mag-take or ano, may dry run. Yes, may dry run test para mas madali yung part B mo. Sherwin nag-message. Sige bro, check ko after nito. Ayan, thank you guys. Do you enjoy? Meron ba kayong insight na nakuha for our talk tonight? Thank you, Ver. Thank you, bro. Thank you, everyone. Meron ba kayong nakuha na insight? Is it just a waste of time or is it something na
Yes,
matagal
exciting.
lang? Ayan, thank you, Lemar, bro. Kahit pa pumikit ka dun, Lemar, kaya mo na yun. Thank you,
Well done.
Giselle. Leap of faith ko this year. Ver, go for it, Ver. So for mga champs dyan, I highly suggest take nyo muna yung funnel building and automation kasi magandang foundation yun. So if ever your goal is certified admin, yung dalawang meron kayo ngayon na courses, tapusin nyo muna siguro mga 1 week. 'Di ba? Kung ano talaga, meron talaga gusto nyo next week agad mag-certified admin. So tapusin nyo muna yun for 1 week and then after a week, kapag okay na yung certification ninyo, proceed with the certified admin. Kasi nabibuild nyo yung basic knowledge as well as the practical use cases nung mga i-discuss dun sa certified admin, dun sa ginawa nating certification din sa JHL Champs. Thank you everyone, thank you guys. Picture muna tayo guys before you leave. Baka naman, pang ano lang natin, pang... Ayan, picture tayo before we leave. Sino ba dito considering to take the certified admin exam? Type 1. Siguro, lagay tayo ng time frame. Considering it for next week. Siguro type 1 for next 1.5 if you are considering it for next week. Ayan. Sige, wag nang mahiya. Ayan. Considering to take the JHL certified admin next week. Uy, meron ako ayun, let's do it guys. I'll send. Ayan, so. Soonest. Okay, para meron tayong groups. You all registered naman, no? Nag-register kayo dun sa landing page natin. 0.5. Ayun, no? JC is already taking the certified admin exam. So, waiting na lang siya sa schedule ng part B. Baka
Yes.
Master JC yan. So, waiting na lang siya. Pasado niya na yung part A. Third quarter pa. Ayan, si Kim, third quarter. So, ayan, and then, Coach, di pa ako next week, pero this year. Ayan, this year si Ma'am Rosie V. Okay, that's very nice.